Today, we are going to make miniature churros using paper towels. These paper towels have great texture. At first, I thought all we have to do is cut these into strips, roll them up, instant churros. But no, it didn't work out that way. When I was gluing it, I lost all of the texture. So I came up with a new idea. Using a paper towel, a paper clip, chalk pastels, extra fine glitter, this one is called snow, and a clear drying glue. I start by unfolding the paper clip, cut a paper towel into manageable strips, begin rolling the paper towel around the paper clip. But we don't want this to be a very thick paper tube, it needs to be very thin, so I just roll it a little bit. Use a glue stick to add glue to the paper towel, and continue rolling. Trim off the excess and secure the end. Carefully remove it from the paper clip, then begin twisting. Just gotta twist the paper towel until it is very, very skinny. The glue is still a little wet, so it's going to help this dry in place. Now I'm just gonna set it down and make more. We're going to need a lot more, so this is going to take a while. Gotta love these tedious, repetitive crafts. I'm going to start the stopwatch so you know just how long this takes me. And stop. It took me a little over 30 minutes to make all of those. Take 4 to 5 and glue them together. I'm starting with just 2 at first, gluing them side by side, then glue the other 2 together, then stack and glue them together. And I'm giving it a very soft twist. The twisting helps them to have full contact, so they all stay together. I'm gonna hold this for a little while it dries. Set it down and repeat for the other ones. With all of those rolls, I was able to make 4, cut them into smaller pieces. This looks a little less than an inch. Each one was cut into 3. Now I have 12 pieces. I'm thinking we should color these with chalk pastels. I want them to be a nice golden brown, so I'm gonna start with the yellow and just lightly dust each one, taking care to get into all of the little nooks and crannies. After the yellow, let's go with a nice golden brown and dust that right on top, so they look like they've been fried. Now we need to seal that color, so I'm going to use Mod Podge. I lightly brush it on, trying not to move any of the chalk pastels. Place it on clear plastic and allow it to dry. They're pretty dry now, the color is sealed in, so I brush them with another very thin coat of glue and sprinkle on a little glitter to make a miniature churro. Lay it on clear plastic until it dries, then repeat with all the others. While waiting for them to dry, I printed off our printable paper plates, and we made some orange ones for the fall, and both of these are available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. After printing, cut them out. We need 2 for each plate. Use a glue stick to glue them together. On a piece of paperboard, cut out a circle that is about the same size as the center of the plate. Put the plate on top, then push around the edges. You can even use a tool to make an indentation. If you want the plate to be a little deeper, use another layer of paperboard. And I find that a simple fingernail works pretty well as a tool. To make paper plates for our churros, cut a thin strip of paper, roll it around a marker to make a paper tube, using glue to secure it along the way. Remove it from the marker and place it on the plate. Fill it with glue. I want to cover the whole bottom. I made a second one. Before the glue dries, take one of the churros, dip it into the glue, then pull up and hold it until it dries. Because there's so much glue, this might take a little while. When the glue dries, it will be held in place. Take brown acrylic paint and carefully paint the glue to look like chocolate. That is so much fun! It looks like we just dipped the churro in the chocolate and the excess chocolate is dripping off. Load the plates with more churros to create miniature treats that are totally not edible. Thank you for joining us while we made miniature churros with a chocolate sauce. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!